Tumpak Sewu, but we took the route no one tells you about, and about halfway in, we realised there is no way back. This isn't your typical Tumpak Sewu hike. No tour groups, no fences, no safety gear, just wet ropes, knee-high steps, and the roar of Java's most powerful waterfall shaking the ground beneath our feet. We started at Goa Tetes Cave, the lesser-known back door to this most iconic of waterfalls. The ravine poured water down, the mist swirled, and we scrambled along the canyon floor, and then suddenly, bam, there she was, Tumpak Sewu, thundering like a freight train, enveloping the canyon in mist. But what followed was even more epic. A slippery vertical scramble up the side of a waterfall, gripping cold steel rails slick with spray and mud. Most people hike in and out the same way. We didn't. We climbed out via a route most people don't even know exists. Steel ladders hammered into vertical cliffs with nothing but mist and 100-foot drop swirling below us.
It's insane. It's pushing the boundaries of my comfort levels, and absolutely worth every minute.
No harness. No helmets. No safety rails. Just your grip, your guts, and a few swallows darting through the mist. One wrong step, and no one would hear you over the roar. This was more than a hike. It was a full-body adrenaline shot, and one of the wildest waterfall adventures of our lives. You're about to see why Tumpak Sewu isn't just beautiful. It's an insane adventure. Ayo pergi, let's go. I'm Alison, and this is Graham, and together we travel the world for animals and adventures. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Where are we today?
Well, we're glamping.
We're glamping.
In a tent.
There's our tent.
Look at that. So down there is a river that goes to a massive waterfall. The waterfall's called
Tumpak Sewu.
Yeah. So come with us.
The trailhead to Tumpak Sewu starts right outside our tent accommodation. We hired a local guide who turned out to be worth every rupiah.
Oh, guess what?
What?
You got to do the yes theory.
Yes theory.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
Well, embrace discomfort. Well, if you want to have adventure, you got to throw away the safety. You can't have both.
Yes theory suggests that life's greatest moments exist outside your comfort zone. So grab those opportunities and seek discomfort. Early on, we already had a taste of the vast canyon through which the Glamping River churns. This is why we needed a guide to find the safest footholds and the secure handholds as the trail itself becomes its own waterfall. Water shoes are highly recommended, or prepare to get your sneakers wet as you climb your way to Goa Tetes, otherwise known as the Dripping Cave. Getting there requires a reasonable sense of balance and adventure. Waterfalls stream straight down limestone cliffs, carving through mossy rocks into an open cavern that feels like something out of Middle Earth. Our canyon trek continues downward as the sound of rushing water and our anticipation builds. The trek is wet, wild and slippery. Soggy ropes, narrow ledges and natural stairs lead you down. With the occasional metal ladder for good measure. And we are rewarded with stunning displays of nature in all her beauty. Walking narrow planks over the torrents, we find our way to the floor of the ravine, working our way along a narrow rocky trail along the gorge that is already swirling with heavy mist, and the thunder of the yet hidden waterfall is echoing in our ears. Welcome to Telaga Beru, Goa Tetes, and our first glimpse of the mighty Coban Sewu. The 1,000 waterfalls that cascade like a silver curtain down this horseshoe-shaped cliff, carved out of the lush jungles of East Java. Mist rises from the basin below, where the thunder of falling water echoes through the lush prehistoric canyon, where one feels dwarfed by the grandeur and the power.
Don't look at me.
Of course, you need to stop for the obligatory Instagram moment. Once thoroughly soaked by the heavy spray, it is time to make our way back. And there was yet more adventure in store. We didn't know our return was by a new route that none of the YouTube videos or travel guides had revealed to us when researching our trip. Yes, this scaffolding of rebar and railings hammered into the side of the waterfall with a tenuous grip on the rocks was our exit. I think if we had known how challenging this would be, we might have chickened out. As it turned out, once we started, we were committed. There was no way we could turn and try and descend back down those steep, slippery ladders. Hati hati, be careful. Steep road is the understatement of the day.
What do you think? Would you recommend anyone doing this?
It's insane. It's pushing the boundaries of my comfort levels, and absolutely worth every minute. I'm just concentrating on each step in front of me and thinking, hot coffee, hot shower. Just keep going. Don't look down.
We'll come this distance.
Now I can see.
Now you'll be freaked out completely.
Yeah, now I can see how far down it is. Before I could only see half a minute. Luckily, there was an excuse to stop and take in the dramatic views just around the corner.
Oh. Yeah, come have a look at the view. What do you reckon?
Onwards and upwards it is.
Your thoughts about now?
It hates me. Whose idea was this?
If you can see the view behind you, is just a massive hole.
Feel the burn.
There's a hole down that side, and there's a hole down that side. So over here, they're building some more steps to come down, and that's going to be an evacuation route. In case, for some reason, this ladder fails, people can go up that ladder, but it hasn't been finished yet. But they have to abseil down with bits of steel, and there's a cable goes down there with a electric generator at the top. So they take the steel down, abseiling, and weld it. So they're welding another staircase.
Unbelievable. Magic.
Would you like that job? You could train to be a welder. Which way? Do we go that way? Or this way? This one's painted. We'll go this way.
We make our way up the remaining ladders and take in the final scene.
This is incredible. We're here in the middle of Ramadan and the middle of the rainy season. So there are very few people here. And if you get up early in the morning, most of the times over here, it tends to be fine until about midday, then it starts to torrential rain. Come during the rainy season. So we're 14th of March at the moment. We're the only people here. And what an incredible experience.
Very pleased I achieved that.
I think that was up there with experiences of a lifetime for me.
Snake fruit. You not like?
Hati hati. Be careful.
After hanging with the locals for a minute to recover, and laughing that the warning about the dangers of that route was at the end of the hike, feel the fear and do it anyway, we went back to our tents for a shower and breakfast before continuing our East Java road trip. We are old farts doing some young fart stuff. Well, mostly. So if you're an adventurer, young or old, come along and be part of the journey. Just don't expect me to wear a bikini too often. Thanks for watching. We are more than a travel channel. We volunteer for animal rescues and vet charities. We love to help pets and people as we go, trying to leave this world a better place. And if you would like to help our mission, please do comment, like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps us to help the animals.